Cloud services are convenient, great for remote working, and packed with cool features. But how sure are you that your information is secure? We want to tell you about 3 things you can do today to make sure your data is as secure as possible. First up is multi-factor authentication. You've probably used this with your online bank. MFA sends a single-use password to your smartphone. No password, no access. Second is to switch on encryption. This scrambles your data so it's unreadable to anyone outside of your business. And third is your backup. If you take regular local backups of all of your important data, things won't grind to a halt if the worst happens. There's lots more you can do to stay secure in the cloud. So if you want to be sure your business is protected, get in touch today.